Next one, exercise 8.1, question number 9 and 10. Question number 9, in parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD such that DP equal to BQ. Show that triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB. Second question, AP equal to CQ. Third one, triangle AQB congruent to triangle CPD. Fourth one, AQ equal to CP. Fifth one, APCQ is a parallelogram. Here we already given that question ABCD is a parallelogram. One more condition already given, DP equal to BQ. Should write it, given ABCD is a parallelogram. Second one, DP equal to BQ. We have to prove 5 sub questions are there. First one, triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB. Second one, AP equal to CQ. Third one, triangle AQB congruent to triangle CPD. Fourth one, AQ equal to CP. Fifth one, APCQ is a parallelogram. Next, first one, proof. Okay. Proof. First question, consider triangle APD and triangle CQB. Triangle APD. APD means this is a triangle APD and CQB. This is a triangle, these two triangles. Okay. In these two triangles, BC equal to AD. AD equal to BC. What is the reason? ABCD is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Next one, these two angles are equal. Triangle, in triangle APD and triangle CQB, angle CBQ and angle ADP are equal. What is the reason? These two sides are parallel. This line acts as a transversal. Okay. This line as a transversal. These two angles are alternate interior angles. They are equal. Angle ADP equal to angle CBQ. Alternate interior angles are equal. Next one, already given that DP equal to BQ. DP equal to BQ. Given. Therefore, triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB by SAS. SAS congruence criterion, these two triangles are equal. What is the second question? AP equal to CQ. AP equal to CQ. AP and CQ are corresponding sides of these two congruent triangles. That means AP equal to, second question, answer AP equal to CQ. What is the reason? CP, CT. These two triangles are equal. Definitely we can write it AP equal to CQ. AP and CQ are corresponding sides of a congruent triangles. Next one, third question. Third question, consider triangle AQB and triangle CPD. AQB means what? This is a triangle AQB. Next CPD. These two triangles. Okay. In these two triangles, AB and DC are equal. AB equal to CD or DC. Reason? ABCD is a parallelogram. Next, angle ABQ equal to angle CDP. These two angles are equal because these two sides are parallel. That means ABCD is a parallelogram. Then this line acts as a transversal. Then these two angles are alternate interior angles. Angle ABQ equal to angle CDP. Alternate interior angles are equal. Next one, BQ equal to DP, already given in the question. Okay. Therefore, triangle AQB congruent to triangle CPD. Reason? SAS. Congruence criterion. These two triangles are congruent, definitely AQ and PCR or CPR equal side. Okay. Otherwise, AQ equal to CP, corresponding parts of a congruent triangle. This is a fourth question. AQ equal to CP. Okay. In the first triangles, we already proved that AP equal to CQ. We already proved that AP equal to CQ. Okay. Same thing, AQ equal to CP. Proved. From these two equations we can write it, opposite sides are equal. Definitely we can write it APCQ is a parallelogram. This is the fifth one. Sub question 5 already proved AP equal to CQ, AQ equal to CP, APCQ is a parallelogram. Question number 10, ABCD is a parallelogram and AP and CQ are perpendiculars from vertices A and C on diagonal BD. Show that triangle APB congruent to triangle CQD. Second one, AP equal to CQ. Given ABCD is a parallelogram. Already given in the question, ABCD is a parallelogram. We have to prove that triangle ABP congruent to triangle CQD, AP equal to CQ. Okay. First, consider proof. Consider triangle APB and triangle CQD. APB and CQD. Okay. AB equal to CD. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Next, these two angles are equal. Angle APB equal to angle CQD equal to 90 degree given. Okay. Next one, angle ABP, angle ABP equal to angle CDQ, angle CDQ. Reason, because AB and DC are parallel side, this line acts as a transversal. Definitely you can write it, these two angles are what? Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. They are equal. Okay. Therefore, triangle APB congruent to triangle CQD by AB and DC are equal. These two angles are equal. Then CDQ and ABP equal. Definitely AAS, congruence criterion. Okay. These two triangles are equal. Next you can write it, these two triangles are congruent. That means AP and CQ are equal because these two are corresponding parts of a congruent triangles. Next you can write it, AP equal to CQ, corresponding parts of a congruent triangle.